the RV industry will undergo a long-term transformation. The journey of the future will be quiet, clean, and driven by creativity. Forget about the rumble of a diesel engine and the smell of fuel. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is a cutting-edge all-electric car that blends modern living with cutting-edge technology. This is a vision of sustainable adventure, with a sleek, aerodynamic body intended for optimal efficiency and a strong, silent electric drivetrain. It has an amazing range since it is powered by BYD's own Blade battery and is constructed on their cutting-edge e-platform. This vehicle is more than just a camper. It's a zero-emission mobile home that can go you farther than you could have ever dreamed, with an estimated range of more than 400 miles. The cockpit first resembles a spaceship rather than a campervan. The massive spinning touchscreen display that controls every element of the car dominates the dashboard, which is a study in minimalist design. Everything is available, easy to use, and completely configurable, including climate control and navigation. Important driving information is shown on a tiny digital panel behind the steering wheel, and you can operate everything using gesture controls and voice commands without taking your eyes off the road. The end effect is a neat, clutter-free area that puts an emphasis on use and technology. The living area of the BYD Motorhome is the perfect blend of elegant style and useful functionality. The configuration is totally customizable, so you may change the space to suit your needs. The dining table can be folded away, the sofa can slide out to make more space, and ambient LED lighting can be voice-activated to change color and provide the ideal ambience. The cabin seems roomy and welcoming because of the abundance of natural light coming in via the wide panoramic windows. Style and environmental awareness may coexist since each surface is made of premium, environmentally sustainable materials. Tucked away in the back is a peaceful bedroom. A cozy, full-sized mattress that is ideal for travel serves as the primary bed. The surrounding area has built-in storage that is deftly concealed to preserve the minimalist look and is meant to be a place of leisure. A huge skylight above you offers a fantastic view of the stars, making your nightly stay very unforgettable. It is a peaceful haven where you may unwind and rejuvenate away from the daily grind. The restroom, which looks more like a five-star hotel than an RV, is a monument to ingenious engineering. It has a clean ceramic toilet, a sleek vanity with a designer sink, and a contemporary water-saving shower system. With built-in lighting and intelligent ventilation to avoid moisture accumulation, the area is roomy and practical. This area is both stylish and useful for travel thanks to the use of long-lasting, premium materials. The BYD Motorhome's kitchen is made for today's cook. High-end gadgets that run on the main battery are ingeniously installed in the kitchen. Included are a huge refrigerator with a freezer, a convection oven, and an electric induction cooktop. Every pot, pan, and pantry item has a place thanks to the clever storage options and the sturdy, smooth surface of the counters. With the ease of a typical household, you may cook anything from a light snack to a gourmet dinner here.